Okay, dear students, in the previous lecture, we solved question of exercise 3.3, from which 5 questions I solved for you on the board and I had given you the 6th question to solve on your own. I am quite confident that all of you would have solved it and got the correct answer. Now let us move to question number 2. Question number 2 is divided into 2 parts, means you need to find 2 things. What are the 2 things? Let us understand the question. Solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. In short, we are given a pair of linear equation in 2 variables. Solve means I need to find the values of x and y using substitution method. Now in the second part, find the value of m. I need to find the value of another variable which is m, which satisfies the following condition. What is the condition? Y is equal to mx plus 3. So in the first part of the question, I will use these two equations, that is the pair of linear equation in 2 variables, and first of all I will find the value of x and y. After getting the values of x and y, I will use this equation, that is y is equal to mx plus 3, and from this equation I also need to find the value of m. So just as we did in the previous sums also, I will try to find out the smallest coefficient. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. So I will take 2x as subject of formula. So 2x is equal to 11 minus 3y. So x will be equal to 11 minus 3y upon 2. Now I will substitute this value of x in equation number 2. So what is your equation number 2? 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. So 2 as it is. What is the value of x? The value of x is 11 minus 3y upon 2. So instead of x, I will substitute 11 minus 3y upon 2. Then I have minus 4y is equal to minus 24. So in second equation, 2 into x is 11 minus 3y upon 2, minus 4y is equal to minus 24. So these two will get cut. So I will have 11 minus 3y and minus 4y. Will give me minus 7y is equal to minus 24. Now I will take this 11 on the opposite side. So this plus 11 becomes minus 11. So I will have minus 7y is equal to minus 24 minus 11. That is minus 35. So in short, value of y is minus 35 upon minus 7. So there is minus on the numerator side as well as denominator side, so it will become plus. So value of y is 5. After getting the value of y as 5, I can put that value in either equation 1 or equation 2 to find the value of x. Here I have put the value of y in equation 1. What was our equation number 1? Equation 1 is 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. So I have written this equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. In that we already find the value of y. So the equation goes like this. 2x plus 3 into y. What is value of y? 5. 2x plus 3 into 5 is equal to 11. That gives me 2x plus 3 5s are 15 is equal to 11. Now in the next step, I will take 15 on the right hand side. So I will have the value of 2x is equal to minus 4. That gives me the value of x as minus 2. So the first part of the sum has already been solved. In the first part, I needed to find the values of x and y. As you can see over here, the value of x is minus 2 and the value of y was 5. So I will write solution set xy is equal to minus 2 comma 5. Now in the second part, I need to find the value of m in such a way that that particular value is satisfied by this equation, that is y is equal to mx plus 3. So I will write that equation y is equal to mx plus 3, and then in this equation I will substitute the values of x and y that I found using substitution method. So the value of y, as you already find out, is 5 is equal to m into the value of x is minus 2 plus 3. So I got 5 is equal to minus 2m plus 3. When I bring this 3 on left hand side, 5 minus 3 is 2. So the value of minus 2m is 2. That gives me the value of m as minus 1. So we have solved both the things. The value of x and y is minus 2 and 5. and the value of n is minus 1. Okay, dear students, as I said that in this particular chapter, the main thing is how to frame the questions. So now onwards, the equations won't be given. We need to frame the equations, and after framing the equations, we'll use the substitution method in this particular exercise. But as I said previously also, that in your examination, 99% chances are there that the method won't be mentioned. That means you can use any method to solve the equation and get the answer. But as this exercise falls under substitution, so we will solve all these sums in this exercise by substitution method. So let us understand the question. It's a very simple question. Question number 3, its first part. The conditions given over here are the difference between two numbers is 26. That is our condition number 1. And two numbers are given in such a way that difference between those two numbers is 26. Condition number 1. Second condition, one number is 3 times the other. The second condition over here is that one number is 3 times the other. So using this condition 1 and condition 2, we need to find them. That means the numbers. So I will frame these conditions into equations. So first of all, we will suppose that these two numbers are x and y. We will take two variables as x and y. So let the two numbers be x and y. So I need to find the value of two numbers. So in short, I will find the values of x and y. Now what is condition number 1? The difference between these two numbers is 26. That means if I consider that x is the larger number, so I will get x minus y is equal to 26. The difference between two numbers, that is x and y, is 26. So this is our equation number 1. But as I said that in this chapter you need two equations. So we will frame another equation using condition number 2. What is condition number 2? Condition number 2 is that one number is 3 times the other. So x is equal to 3y. One number, that is x, is 3 times the other number. The second equation is x is equal to 3y. So I got the relation x is equal to 3y. So I will substitute this value of x, that is x is equal to 3y, in our equation number 1. What was our equation number 1? Our equation number 1 was x minus y is equal to 26. But the value of x is 3y. So I will substitute this value. So instead of x, I will write 3y minus y is equal to 26. So 3y minus y, that is 2y is equal to 26. So the value of y is 30. Now I can put this value of y either equation 1 or equation 2. I have put the value of y in equation number 2. What was equation number 2? X is equal to 3y. So x is equal to 3 into what is value of y? 13. So x is equal to 3 into 13, that gives me 39. So the value of x is 39. The value of y was 13. So in short, the two numbers, that is x and y,